Every day, millions of people search the internet one question: how can I make money online? But here is the truth that many people don't talk about. Making money online is possible, but it's not as easy as many videos may make it sound. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the truth about making money online, the mistakes beginners make, and what you should actually focus on if you want to succeed online. Welcome back to the Digital Mom YouTube channel. This is where we talk about digital skills, online opportunities, and building a better future through technology. Yes, you got it very well. We do help you build your future through technology and tech skills. So let's start with our video today, with our topic today. Why so many people want to make money online? The internet has opened incredible opportunities. Today, people can work remotely, can freelance online, can start digital businesses, can earn from different countries. This is something that was almost impossible some years ago. Okay? However, because so many people want this opportunity, there is also a lot of misinformation online. Many people promise quick money or easy access, which is not realistic. And I am going to show you what is the reality of working online, of making income online. Let's first talk about the biggest lie about making money online. One of the biggest lies is that you can make money online without learning any skill. The truth is simple. Just like in the traditional world, people get paid because of the value they are adding in. Yes, you got it. You get paid due to the value that you add. If you help business grow, solve problems, or provide useful services, there you can earn money. But if you expect money without learning or working, it becomes very difficult for you. So, let's see the mistakes that people are making in these days when they want to make money online. The first mistake is to look for quick money, looking for quick money. Many beginners search for things like easy money online, get rich quickly, make $100 today. But unfortunately, this mindset often leads people to scams or unrealistic expectations. Building online income is more like building a career, not winning a lottery. Mistake number 2 is not learning a digital skill. One of the most powerful things you can do today is learning a digital skill. Example of the digital skills you could learn could include social media management, could include virtual assistants, could include graphic design, could include writing, could include digital marketing, and those skills allow you to offer services online. And businesses are constantly looking for people with these abilities for sure. Yeah. The mistake number 3 that people are making these days is giving up too early. Many people try something online for a few weeks and stop because they don't see the results immediately. And it is true, online income doesn't come just in a week. It requires time, but most successful freelancers and online workers spend months learning and improving before earning consistent income. Patience and persistence are very important in online industry. If you want to come in online market, please first train your soul about patience and persistence, because these are the key important aspects that you should have on online market. And now, after looking over the mistakes, let's see what actually really works online. Instead of chasing shortcuts, focus on 3 things. Thing number 1, learning a useful digital skill. Thing number 2, practicing and improving ability. Number 3, finding people or business who need that skill. This is why. If you have a digital skill, among those ones we've mentioned, be it virtual assistants, digital marketing, social media management, writing, copywriting, editing, videography, if you have one of that skill, and you keep practicing and improving your ability day to day by doing practices, by offering maybe free services to get your portfolio to your friends who have business, for people in your network. The following thing that is going to happen is that those people whom you have offered on service to help you improve your ability, they are going to connect you and like immerse you in the network where you could find people and businesses who need that skill. This is how we deal with things online. You learn a digital skill, you practice and improve your ability, then at the end of the day, you find people or businesses who need that skill. Yes, you could first find business and those business owners don't want to pay you at the first time. It's okay. If you are a beginner, I would encourage you that you offer them a service. Then after offering them a service, I'm very sure that they're going to be grateful, and from their gratefulness, they're going to connect you with people who are going to pay you for that service. Or them themselves, they are going to now start valuing your service and pay you. Okay? This is how many people sustain online income actually in reality. So why digital skills are so very important? Digital skills give you something extremely valuable, which is flexibility and opportunities. Yes, if you are the person who are working online, who are just chasing a digital income, I'm sure that you have flexibility in your working schedules, and opportunities are so many because people started shifting their works online. With the right skills, you can work remotely, you can freelance online, you can build a digital brand, you can build a digital business, you can work with international clients, and this is why learning digital skills today can be a life-changing thing. Let me give you an example. Consider that you are a mom. You have maybe 2 to 3 kids, or you have one kid. Could you think that you could get a job that is going to give you maybe a working time of 4 hours per day while you are at home? You did not pay the transport to go to the office. You just only need to have your internet and your personal computer or your phone, and then you could operate from there while taking care of your home and your kids as well. Isn't that something incredible? Yes, it is very incredible. So why can't you think of starting that thing, or start to figure out how could find yourself in that space? I think it's the time for you to start. Imagine that you are the student of you are a university student, or you've finished your university, you just on a hack of your profession. Do you think if you train yourself in doing some graphic designs, maybe using Canva or other tool, and you could be able to sell those graphic designs that you've made, this is going to survive you the after campus life while you are figuring out where you could get your internship or your full-time job or your profession? Isn't that going to help you? And you know what? In the meantime, you could be doing that, and you find yourself having a big market online, international market access. Then you could now decide if you could continue with the career that you have did in your campus, in your college, or you could keep offering those services. Yes, businesses and big people in this world, they really need those services. They are too busy for them to schedule for their trip. They are too busy for them to be able to do social media posts on their social media pages. Why can't you go and grab that opportunity, help them to do those things, then get paid for the work you've done? Okay, think of that. So if you are watching this video and feeling unsure about where to start, remember something important. Everyone who is successful online has started as a beginner, and the key is to start learning and take small steps consistently. Progress may feel slow at first. Yes, it feels very, very slow at first, but over time it adds up, and you could find yourself making like a big amount of money that could help you manage your life easily and efficiently. Okay, so if you found this video very helpful, like the video, comment below what digital skill that you would like to learn. Subscribe to the Digital Mom for more videos about digital skills and working online techniques. And if you want to learn how to become a virtual assistant step by step, watch the video in the end of the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.